Hi everyone, my name is Derek and welcome to GamerBody. In this review video we will be talking about the Forward Head Posture Fix by Critical Bench. This product was created to help those who have suffered from having a forward head due to things like going on your cell phone for long periods of time, playing a lot of video games, watching a lot of TV, sitting at a desk at your job for hours and hours. So if you're one of those people who may have a forward head issue, this product was created for you. Now, I looked into this product after suffering from forward head posture fix from years and years of sitting with my head forward, again, playing video games, sitting at a desk for a 40+ hour a week job, and other activities. After doing a quick search on Google, I was able to find the Forward Head Posture Fix program and went ahead and bought it as it wasn't too expensive, coming in at only $10 for the digital and $15 for the digital with physical booklet. The goal I set out to achieve was to fix my forward head posture issue so that I could show more confidence as I was not closed off so much to people, as well as fix it for my lifting and building bigger and stronger muscles. Also, it was noticeable in pictures taken of me where you could see that my shoulders kind of raised up and my head went forward, so I wanted to remove that by trying out this program. Now, as of getting this program, I do this on my off training days, so during my rest days, I do this program along with another program called the Unlock Your Hip Flexors, which is also by Critical Bench. So in total, I do both programs and it takes me about 25 minutes to complete on my off training days. So now let's quickly cover what you get when you purchase Forward Head Posture Fix. Now if you go with the digital version, you'll just get an email sent to you that when you click on the link, will send you to a page that has all the videos laid out for you. You can also download them, which is what I did, and put them straight on my computer. The other option is to buy the physical products alongside the digital, which is a little more expensive, but as of creating this video, it was only $5 more, coming out at $15 versus $10. And so you'll get a physical booklet here, as well as a DVD. I'm not sure who really uses DVD player anymore, but then you'll also get the digital product you can go to, which is what I did to download them onto my computer. But I also took a look through the physical booklet, never even unwrapped the DVD because who uses DVDs? Alright, now let's cover the pros and cons list of the Forward Head Posture Fix program. So the first pro is that each exercise and workout is really easy to follow. There's really just one workout with 10 different exercises, and all of them can be done by basically anybody at any age. The next pro is that there's no equipment necessary. All I had to do was sit in a chair and I can do most of it, or lay on the floor. You don't need to go out and buy any special equipment to complete the program. The next pro is that it comes in 3 separate mediums, so you don't even have to decide if you want to watch it on your TV, computer, or read through a book. It comes in all 3 if you decide to buy the more expensive option. Another pro is that it takes less than 15 minutes to complete the entire workout. So that is very quick. You can just do it in your morning. Maybe when you wake up, you just throw it in, do it, and you're done for your day. Again, I do this on my off days, so I do it to help after my training sessions to correct my posture. And my last pro is that it's a really great price for what you get. Again, you can get the digital version only at $10 or $15 for all of the digital and physical products, so that's pretty cheap in my opinion. So now let's quickly go over the cons of the Forward Head Posture Fix. The biggest problem I see with this program is that when you're going through it, especially the first time, when you're going with the follow-along videos, they jump from exercise to exercise very quickly. Now, there are other demonstration videos that go over how to properly do each exercise, but it's not like something where you're following and kind of doing it with them. It's more like jump cutted between each exercise. So all of a sudden you're doing one exercise and just instantly jumps to the next one. No real transition there, which makes it a little more difficult to follow. My last con is that there are some pretty ridiculous claims in this booklet. If you read through the booklet that is provided with the higher end version, some of the claims that they are touting are pretty ridiculous. Yes, I do it so I can build some confidence as well as correct my overall posture, but they're saying a lot of other health benefits that, why they may be true, I think are a little overblown, and not many people are going to buy it for those reasons. So a question I always like to ask myself in these reviews is, would I buy this product again? And honestly, I'm a little up in the air with this one. Yes, I would buy it because it's a nice structured program to get you the results, and it was also created by certified professionals. So you know they actually put some thought and have worked with clients before in order to create this, but I don't know if I'd actually go ahead and buy it again, maybe just use YouTube to get what I want. But if you're looking for a structured program, this is a really good one for a decent price. Alright, and that is it for this video on the Forward Head Posture Fix by Critical Bench. If you did like this review, please like and subscribe to this channel for more reviews just like this one. Also, please head over to GamerBody.com and opt into the email newsletter. There I'll send you a lot of the cheat codes in order to build muscle from home, as well as all the current equipment I use for my home workout training. Alright, and that's it. So remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Be fit and game on.